Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to be redecorating these Dollar Tree pumpkins, and I'm going to be using a new well, not a new method, something different today for painting. I'm going to be pouring color on them. Now my um, acrylic paints are really thick, I think, because I've had them for such a long time. So normally the way I've seen them poured is they, poured from a cup or from the bottle directly, but like they're quite thinned out. But I did not thin mine out, so I just left them as thick as they are, and then I poured them down um, the pumpkin, and I just did random colors. So there's no real method to, like, it's not like you have to do this in this color, not no real method, but you don't have to do this or this color. You just do whatever you think will look good at the time. So, and the more colors you have overlapping, the cooler the pattern will be. So for this pumpkin, I'm doing an assortment of black, champagne, espresso, gold, um, warm white, and I'm just going over top of the pumpkin and I'm pouring it down, as you can see, until I cover most of the pumpkin. Now, what I also wind up doing is I wind up kind of using a baby wipe just to smear it all together. You'll see what I mean. So if you're brand new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by again. On my channel, you can see DIYs, thrift flips, holiday themed decor, furniture flips, trash to treasures, Dollar Tree DIYs, anything kind of home like I do. I have a variety of styles. I probably stick to kind of the rustic farmhouse style. For Halloween, I kind of go a little bit different just because I have two little kids, so I do a lot of fun little things for them. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you consider subscribing. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can see more of my videos. So once I'm happy with the smears and the drips and all of that stuff, I leave it to dry and I start on my next one. So this video is a part of a challenge hosted by Nadia from DIY with Nadia and co-hosted by Crafting Cousins. Nadia hosts this challenge every month, and every month it is a different type of food, and you have to create a DIY using that kind of food. So this month it was the pumpkin. If you haven't checked out Nadia's channel or the Crafting Cousins, make sure you check them out. Super creative ladies. You'll get very inspired, very inspired. So I'll have everything linked in my description below, as well as the playlist. The playlist will be super cool. I can't wait to see what people come up with for the pumpkins. And again, that'll be linked in my description below. So for my second pumpkin, I kind of tried to do a little bit of a different color scheme, a more fun one that would be fitting for Halloween. The only problem was that I've had some issues with my camera and it seems to record it records my audio, but then like it looks like it's recording, but then when I go to edit it, it only has a blank screen. And I noticed that on my last video, but unfortunately I had already filmed this one, so I've lost that footage. But same type of method I did. I poured and I used blue, purple, pink, black, and I left some of the orange to peek through. So I used a bunch of colors and like I said, I dripped them. I had them go down the same way I did the other ones where I poured them from the top, and then because they weren't pouring so much, I wound up mixing together with that baby wipe. You could totally water them down a little bit and then they'll drip more. I just wasn't sure how much coverage it would have with the dark orange underneath. I suppose you could paint it white, but it was more than I wanted to do for this craft, and I wanted to show you that it's super easy to do, and all of that other stuff would have been more difficult. I think it turned out really cute though. I love the fun colors, and it'll go great with my Halloween decor. Now this one, I love these colors as well because you could totally use it in your fall decor because it's kind of like a more neutral pumpkin, but you could also have it be for Halloween. If you wanted, you could write eek or boo or do three pumpkins and do trick or treat. Anything. So super versatile, super easy to do, and a quick craft. So if you really liked this, hit that like button. Tell me which one you like more in the comments below, whether you like the gold one or the colorful one. And make sure you check out the playlist and make sure you check out the hosts and take a look at these videos that I'm recommending for you at the end here. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.